Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the power supply in your HP Omen Tower. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components. First, power down your PC and unplug it from the mains. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, remove the side panel of your HP Omen Tower. This typically involves unscrewing a couple of screws at the back of the case. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the panel off to expose the internal components. Now locate the power supply unit, which is usually situated at the top or bottom of the case. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the case using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your system. Next, disconnect all cables connected to the power supply. This includes the 24-pin motherboard connector, the CPU power connector, and any additional cables powering your graphics card or drives. Make a note of where each cable connects, as this will make reassembly much easier. Once all cables are disconnected, you can remove the power supply. This is typically secured by 4 screws at the back of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew these, and then gently slide the power supply out of the case. Now, take your new power supply and position it in the same location as the old one. Secure it with the screws you just removed. If you're unsure about which power supply to choose, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you select the right unit for your needs. With the new power supply in place, it's time to reconnect all the cables. Start with the 24-pin motherboard connector, followed by the CPU power connector. Ensure that each connection is secure and properly seated. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your PC serviced without any hassle. After all connections are made, double-check that everything is in order. It's a good idea to tidy up any cables to improve airflow within the case. You can use cable ties to keep things organized. Finally, replace the side panel of your tower and secure it with the screws. Plug your PC back into the mains and power it on. If everything has been connected correctly, your system should boot up without any issues. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your gaming rig back in action. Thank you for following this tutorial and enjoy your upgraded HP Omen. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.